U.S. State Department decides to boycott Beijing Winter Olympics. The U.S. State Department spokesperson Ned Price says, "We will not send any diplomatic or official representation to the 2022 Winter Olympic and Paralympic Games in Beijing given the PRC's ongoing genocide and crimes against humanity and other human rights abuses." Australia joins diplomatic boycott of Beijing Winter Olympics. Australian officials will not attend the Beijing Winter Olympics in a formal boycott of the Games over China's human rights abuses against Uyghurs. The US this week confirmed it would not send any diplomats or officials to the Games while still allowing its athletes to compete. Prime Minister Scott Morrison said Australian athletes would compete at the Games despite the diplomatic boycott. He said it should come as no surprise that Australian diplomats and politicians would boycott the event, citing the breakdown in the relationship with China in recent years. "I'm doing it because it's in Australia's national interest," he said. "It's the right thing to do." Mr. Morrison said Beijing's own diplomatic freeze on Australia had also fed into the decision for officials to boycott the Games because Australia had been unable to raise its concerns about human rights directly with Chinese leaders.